Hi everyone, this is Saucy, the Towboat Chef. I just found out that the Cammy Awards are out and I became one of the top 4 for the newest cooking channel or something to that effect. Anyways, so here's what I'm going to do. I'll come right back at you and let you know. Welcome back. Alright, it seems I'm in the top 4 for the cooking channel. First off, thank you all that nominated me, that went there and nominated me. Now, here comes the big thing. I need you all to go back and do this survey thing again to vote for me so I could win this. It's the Cammy Awards. Isn't that like the Grammys, where I get to walk down the red carpet, accept my award, give a speech? Okay, I'm dreaming. It's not that huge, but you all know me. I dream big, but get little. Alright, so how are you going to do this voting? Down in the description, you're going to see a link to Arron's page. Go to his page, blooper, his YouTube channel. God, I could never go one video. Well, one blooper. Alright, you go to his YouTube channel. Down in his description, he has a link to the survey or voting there. Now, of course, I already went and voted. And if I had just copied the link prior to me voting, I could have supplied it to you. I'm sorry, but I was so excited. I wanted to hurry up and go vote for myself. Of course I'm going to vote for myself. I couldn't believe it when my name was announced. I really didn't think I had a chance, but now I got a chance. So I know some of you all think, God, it's another name for the Boit Awards. Well, okay. I am down at the bottom of all the YouTubers. I'm not that big, but this possibly could help me get bigger too. I enjoy making my videos. I enjoy making you all laugh. I'm getting known to be as the blooper queen, or just the blooper alerts. You all just seem to like how I do my videos. So, show me more by going there and voting. Let's see if I can get winning. Get to win. God, I can't even talk! Anyways, for anybody that's new to this channel, and today I've been getting quite a few new people. Thank you, Eric. I didn't expect this. I mean, I just only wanted to visit with a friend. And now I'm getting a lot of new subscribers. So thank you for joining my channel. I really do hope you stay in because you enjoyed my channel. And not just because Eric sent you. Or that you saw my name and me in Eric's video. It's fine. No, so if you don't decide to stay, but that's fine too. I enjoy making my videos. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy making y'all laugh. And I hope you enjoy watching them. So anybody that's new to my channel and you haven't yet to subscribe, go ahead, click on that subscribe button down below. And then ring that bell so you get notification. Say a like. Now, I don't get notifications for everybody that's subscribed, so let me know that you're subscribed. Alright? I want to thank you all for supporting this channel in each and every way. You make it fun. And I enjoy your comments. Especially when you get a good laugh at it. And I love some of the nicknames that you all have given me. Hence, Mr. Breeze has also been calling me Bloopy. Said if I ever lose my channel and YouTube shuts me down, I'm to come back as Bloopy. What do y'all say? Anyways, alright, let me get back on track here. I got notification today that my Chromebook has shipped, and I should receive it by December 16th. Just in time, right before Christmas, to have a live stream. What do you say? My first live stream. But first I gotta set it up. I gotta make sure I know how to work this Chromebook. It'll get done. I'm sorry, I just had a choking fit here. Let me drink some water. But also too, my Christmas list for Christmas card list. The cutoff date is December 15th, because on the 16th I'm mailing them all out just so everybody can get it in time. Alright, so if you haven't, email me your address. Please use an email program. If you text me from your phone to my email, it comes in all jumbled up. So please use an email program and text me your address and the name you want me to use on the envelope. Alright? You all have an awesome day. Now, as soon as this is done, and it says, see you later, and it says the end, quickly go down to the description, click on the link to Arron's, and then click on that survey and vote Saucy, the Towboat chef, not the tugboat chef. Y'all have an awesome day. Bye-bye.